This is the inside of your stomach right now. It's making acid strong enough to dissolve a razor blade. But it never digests you. Why? First, the acid. Your stomach pumps out hydrochloric acid, real HCl, same as a chemistry lab. pH 1.5 to 3.5, that's almost as strong as battery acid. Special cells in your stomach lining, parietal cells, actively pump it out. Up to 2 liters of acid every single day. So why are you okay? 3 layers of defense. Layer 1, mucus. A 1 millimeter slimy shield coats every cell of your stomach lining. Layer 2, bicarbonate. Same stuff as the baking soda in your kitchen. It neutralizes acid on contact. Layer 3, constant regeneration. Stomach cells die every 3 to 4 days. The whole lining is replaced every 2 weeks. Mucus, bicarbonate, regeneration, 3 layers working together. Biological body armor. But sometimes, the defense fails. Acid breaks through. You get one of these. An ulcer is a literal hole in your stomach lining. 1 in 10 people get one. For most of the 20th century, doctors blamed stress and spicy food. They were completely wrong. Enter Barry Marshall. 1982, Perth, Australia. A young doctor with a wild theory. He kept finding a strange spiral bacteria in every ulcer patient's stomach. He named it Helicobacter pylori. His claim, ulcers are an infection. Cure them with antibiotics. Nobody believed him. So in 1984, Marshall did something insane. He drank a Petri dish full of H. pylori. Within days, he developed gastritis. Biopsied his own stomach, cultured the bacteria, cured himself with antibiotics, proved his theory. Nobel Prize, 2005. Most punk rock medical experiment in history. Today, ulcers are easy. Antibiotics, not antacids. Antacids just hide the symptoms. 2-week course, 90% cure rate. Quick detour. Vultures, stomach pH 1 kills anthrax. Hummingbirds, pH 4, sugar diet, gentle stomach. Cows have 4, yes, 4 entire stomachs. Evolution is wild. So here's the answer. Your stomach destroys itself and rebuilds itself every 2 weeks, your whole life. It's happening right now as you watch this. Evolution's strongest move? Just keep replacing the parts. What organ should we explain next? Brain, heart, lungs? Subscribe for more body weirdness.